Okay, you can't hate me for this. I had to start with that. Doesn't that look good? I'm very excited about this, and I'm gonna cut the light some. No, it doesn't really help, does it? I just want to tell you, this tomato plant really did rebound really well. It did go through a little bit of stress, a little bit of windburn, but it looks so healthy and so happy. And I think I'm gonna get myself some tomatoes. Now I already did put in the baking powder, baking soda, because it says to do that when you see them come on, and then every 2 weeks. So let's hope so. Now I haven't lost my mind completely, but I've made friends with a very interesting little fella. But this plant was having a problem. I wasn't sure what it was, but it kept dropping off its blooms. Well, I saw a spider, and he's white, and he's very delicate, and he wants to get out of my way most of the time. So I try really hard not to hurt him, but I just don't want him to crawl on me. Other than that, everything is looking really good. It's recovered from being hot and cold and hot and cold. And look, my grandson turned 1, and that was part of the decoration. That's a pineapple top. And all inside the pineapple top, all in here, were little blueberries. It was actually really pretty. So I took it, and I'm trying to root it. I'm going to put it in a cactus soil, and I'm going to grow pineapple. And the canna has taken off a lot, and frickin' frack are doing pretty good, but I'm probably going to take these blooms away. You want them to vegetate when they're small like this and get bigger before they try to start putting on fruit. So I'm going to go ahead and take that off. Wanted to introduce you to the nearest. Can you see in the light? Oh, and it's starting to flower. Oh, how beautiful. This was the only thing left in Walmart alive, really. And everyone kept telling me it wasn't their job to water the plants. And I saw her, and she's so pretty. She's like a purplish pink, but you can't really tell in the light. But you could tell that purple flower, huh? Anyway, I thought I should rescue her and bring her home. And these, they were going to throw away because they thought they were dead, but they're not. These are related to the orchid family, the little air ferns. So I just come along, and I don't know where my spray bottle is. I just spritz them. And then you're going to really be amazed at this. Look at the Sega palm is done. Would you look at that? It's amazing to me. And look, we got a new one. And I don't know if we have another one coming on, but I think so. But anyways, it's doing very good. It's very happy in this climate in here. And we still have to wait for all of this to die off before we can cut it off. And the aloe vera is doing very well. It looks very healthy and happy. It's hard to tell in this light. And my peppers haven't come up yet that I put down that I was going to give away free seeds. I don't want to give away free seeds until I know that the seeds will actually come up. So that's that. And, okay. I decided to try to grow an onion, okay? Because I had a big enough piece left, and so we're growing an onion. And we're still growing some green onions. But, well, you know, if I didn't do something interesting, that I wouldn't be myself. So I'm pretty happy with my little garden here, and I need to get some more of that foil stuff, but it's got to be the dimpled kind so it doesn't burn. So I could put it up on the walls, because I could tell, you know, that only puts out so much light. And so I supplemented it with some of the stick lights I had for houseplants. And of course Herbert, he's always doing well. This is the happiest little plant. Happiest little plant. And then I'll show you my others. I should move them over here. It would make my life so much easier and so much less pink. Hang on. Huh. Okay. Well, this one took kind of a little bit of a hit because Well, I just kind of neglected it through all the heat and everything. But I soaked it, and see, we're already having new growth. So hopefully that'll flower this year. And the trumpet vine, I call it a trumpet vine, the jungle flower vine, it kind of got hit, but you could see it's got new little leaves coming on and little creepy crawlers. But that's about it for my garden update. I noticed I hadn't done one in a while, and hopefully by the time I do the next one, then we'll have tomatoes. We'll see. Well, you have a nice day, and I will too. Bye.